Neil here. So I'm at a large school today. We are cleaning the fiberglass roofing on the roof. As you can see here, it's pretty dirty, and ultimately they're going to be using a lot more power through electricity rather than the natural light which should be coming through these panellings. So we're going to be cleaning all of this up for them. As you can see, it's a fairly large gym. It doesn't look that dirty for you at the moment until I wet it, and then you'll see how much darker that is. Look at that. So it's fairly slow work, but the results will speak for themselves. This half of the roof has not been done, and this half has been done. Now let's just look in the gym, standing right in the middle of the roof here. You can see over there how dark it is, and if you look over there how light it is. Vastly different. When I'm standing here, the amount of light that we are now getting through this building is phenomenal compared to what it was. So Neil here from Aah Clean. These are the finished results. I hope you can see that. They look fantastic, and the light that is coming into this building now is phenomenal. So you know, the amount of clarity that you've got, if you just look at the space, it's really something. So the client's absolutely happy, very happy with this, and so are we. No breaks or damage to the fiberglass whatsoever. This won't be needing to be cleaned probably for another 5 years, I would guess, and that's if you're conscientious. Probably you could get away with 5 to 8 years without doing any more work on this. And fundamentally, all the students that come in here get a much lighter, spacious space where they can see and play sports, etc., with a lot more clarity. And also the school gets a lot of benefit from not having to use light and electricity. So we're very happy with the results, and I hope we can help you in the future if you have a roof that you'd like to have cleaned. Plastic, fiberglass, tin, metal, tiled, whatever it is, give us a call. We could be happy to give you a quote as long as you're based in Victoria. Thanks for watching.